Welcome back. Next video, we're going to put the lid inside the pencil box. This is a bit of an advanced skill, so it's kind of tricky. So there's a few things we have to make sure we do. Firstly, over here in our browser, we've got all our parts listed here. We need to fix some of these in place. The handle and lid, we're going to make these slide in and out. So we're not going to fix those in place because they have to be able to slide, obviously. But we're going to fix the base. So right click and go and find fix, and it gets this icon next to it. Part is fixed. And one, fix. Basically all the parts that make up the box we need to fix in place. Fix, fix, and fix. So base, the two ends and the two sides are all fixed. The handle and lid shouldn't have that icon next to it. If you accidentally put it there, I think you right click and do unfix. So this uses a different type of mate. It uses what's called a slider mate. Now we have to visualize and kind of understand in your head how this lid slides in here. So if you can imagine, I'm going to zoom right in here, look inside that groove, and we've got this edge in here. I'm hovering over it right now. Hopefully you can see it. The inside bottom edge and the bottom edge here will be touching against that. So it's important that they'll be touching each other, and that's how it will slide. So we're going to look in the toolbars for a thing called a slider mate. So firstly, we're going to zoom in so we can see that little edge inside that groove. And again, we need to make sure that icon is standing up, not laying flat. And it looks like it's kind of encircling the edge. Once the icon looks like it's in the right place, click. Now we're going to zoom backwards, and I'm going to orbit around so I can see this edge of the lid, and the same thing here. Make sure that little icon looks like it's encircling that edge. It shouldn't be sitting flat or anything. And don't click anything until it's sitting in the right place. Try moving your cursor in different places until it looks like it's sitting in the right place. And click. Now don't be too concerned that it's left that thing in the air. That will put itself in place shortly. And I'm not going to try and explain why or how, but this works. So actually, I'm jumping ahead of myself. If you need to, you could try flipping and revolving, but it must look like it's sitting in place. Now, we're not going to tick yet. We're going to go over here to this dialog and click the limits button here. And I'm not going to explain how, but these numbers work. So in here where it's got no minimum, the first one, there's two things we can fill in. Type in -180, and then below it type in negative, I think it was 3.5. Press enter. Now it should look like it's moved the lid in place here. One thing you can try is dragging. And if we got those numbers correctly, it should drag and stop, drag out and stop, and not go any further. And notice that it's put the handle back in place now. If it didn't put the handle in place, try clicking solve, and it should do. There's a little play button here which can animate that movement. And once we're good, we can tick And what you should be able to do now is drag your pencil box lid in and out. And that completes our pencil box. The next video I might show you how we can put some decoration on the side. Yeah, that's it.